So I'm in the building now. So yeah, let's go explore some things. Hi, so yeah, this is a place I would like to come to. It's too dangerous because homeless people live here. I don't want to go up there. Well, this has been burnt down. So yeah, I'm gonna be going into the main building probably today. So yeah, sorry that I haven't filmed in a while. It's just been hard. It's been raining too much. So yeah, catch you in a bit. So I'm down here now. So yeah, we're gonna try to get into that building, but there. So yeah, hope you've been enjoying my videos. I'm gonna try to upload more, and hope you enjoy. So yeah, trying to see what's in here. Haven't been in here yet. Seems like lots of rubbish. That's all you can see. Seems like this was the electric room. Right. So I'm coming to see if I can get in. I really don't want to do this. So yeah. This is how it looks. Don't think none of you can see. It's too dark. But yeah. It smells really bad in there. So I don't know if we should go in there. So coming over to this one now. So yeah. Now, this is probably the secretary. Kitchen. Yeah, this is probably the kitchen. As you can see, all of this is...
This is probably like the staff's, like, probably...
Yeah.
Probably, like, staff
It's all broken down. Yeah. Like the roof, as you can see, it's all falling apart. Look at it. So yeah. This place has probably been abandoned for quite a while. I can't find a way into the other one because it smells too bad and it's just a hard way in.
Huh? Ryan, did you?
So yeah.
Did she? Yes, she did.
You can see this is probably like a toilet. As you can see, it's all falling apart.
Wait, come here in the middle a minute.
I think that's the office.
Yeah,
where
that's...
everyone goes to, like...
Oh yeah, that's probably the office.
Probably the fucking...
Yeah. So cold out here. That's where we're going in. But, forgot how to get in here. Right, we're in. So this is it. Guys, you need to wait for them. Need to wait for them. Need to wait.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. Last time I came here, this wasn't here. This is all of it pretty much. Smells really bad in here. All this is like collapsing. It's like someone's having a bath. Yeah, that looks pretty nice.
Carl, come in here.
So there's this room there. As you can see, everything has fallen from the
You
roof.
just walk through the pathway. No, you just walk past when you get in.
So yeah, there's these noobs here that can't get in. Noobs that can't get in.
So you go over there. Hang on, I'll get in.
So yeah, there's these people trying to get in, so we need to be quiet.
Carl.
See injections. People mostly come here to inject, like through drugs. Practically all the bad places we come to, everyone's smokes. So yeah.
Oh, we should just go look another room. Too big.
Yeah, there's anything over there. That one's hard to get in and out.
You just said you're going to get the longer one. Like the middle one.
Probably. So yeah, I've got more to explore of this place because we've just explored the place over there after this. So yeah,
Right, come in here.
I don't stab my vagina.
alright, so I'm gonna go over there now. Try not to fall. So far.
Wait, someone come here. Lighting's bad, but come here.
So yeah, to check. Because these places you can't get in. Yeah, see? Literally everything's falling. Try not to get stabbed. Nothing. Alright, so there's people over there.
Oh, cool.
Aye guys, the people. Aye, the people are trying to get in.
Try it.
Trying, yeah. I just saw them.
Sam. Carl, come here. Boy, wouldn't it look cool if I took a picture now? Like, in the middle of those.
Yeah. Next time sun, shut up. Next time I can't need to bring gloves. Cause it's fucking freezing out in this shitty place. Alright, so this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna be trying to find new places to come and film. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do one more video here and then I'll do a different one somewhere else. And peace. Subscribe, leave a comment and leave a like. Thanks.
Popcorn pizza.